This tasted really, really good. You too should try shepherd's pie. Get out of your comfort zone and try another culture's dish. Thank you for. Shepherd's pie is said to be originated somewhere in the British Isles or the British colony. However, today your girl has started a new series and I will be trying other cultural dishes. Yes, I'm gonna make that my point of duty. And in this shepherd's pie, I'll be using some goat meat. Some people call it lamb, we call it goat, some people call it sheep. Yes, so I'm doing some curried goat to make a Jamaican style from the traditional shepherd's pie. So I cooked some mashed potatoes and I'm ready to like dress this up, season this up. I added me some unsalted butter. We all know how to cook russet or whatever you call it, red potatoes. Peel them, add them in water, boil them. Feel free to add salt or whatever flavor you want. I only added a little hint of salt. Shepherd's pie from a Jamaican with a little difference to it. Half enough, and mine was a little bit creamy because it was in my freezer and it did not thaw out properly, but I know it's easy to crush in the warm potato. I added me some dried parsley. Feel free to use whatever you choose. I did a little garlic powder and of course more parsley in it. And as a Jamaican, we get too comfortable with our dishes. So I'm on a journey to start going from country to country and making one of their dishes mine. And the first country that I will begin with is the UK, because this is more of a British thing. It is also done in US, but it really originated somewhere in the British colony area. Added me some sour cream and some Parmesan cheese because that's my business and I wanted to. Mix everything in, stir everything in. Follow me on this journey. If you haven't yet started following me, I am coming up with a series going to other people's country. And this Sunday, I am in the UK colony. This is more like a British dish or meal, which is also prepped here in the US. Once you fold everything in and it's creamy, don't worry about it because it is going to bake. Just make sure that you crush this out. Now, I pulled some of my goat meat, aka lamb, sheep, call it whatever you want, and I'll be pulling them apart like pulled beef or whatever you want to call it, because this is what I will be using to stuff my little jars or my little cups that I'll be adding my shepherd's pie in. Look at my curry goat. Yes, well done. Easy for break up. Yeah, you. And I'll be using some green peas and some carrots in it. You will see me stuffing these. So your girl is about ready. Then I figured, why not just spray a little oil in it so this not stick. Look at a girl potato. It is potatoing. I added this at the bottom. Then I added some of my curried goat that is pulled apart. And of course, what is curry goat with a little curry gravy? Look for my gravy. And then I added in some green beans and some carrots that were already cooked. Then I added another coating of my mashed potato. And then your girl will be adding a little grated Parmesan cheese on this.
And I just use my fork to just like make little lines through this. Look at this. This look like it can't eat right now. Your girl is late. And as I say, I'm on a journey to make other countries' dish. So watch out for my videos. I'm not leave Jamaica out, but I really want to experiment on other dishes from other countries. So I added in mashed potatoes, my beans, and then for this one I added me the pulled mutton on top instead of in the middle, and then I'll be adding mashed potato. Look at them dishes. Then I set my oven to eat because I'll be adding these in my oven to bake until the top look like it crispy or it look like it baked or ready to eat. Tell me your girl ain't the bomb. I felt like working today. Oven late, and I added in my little baking dishes in, ready to start the ball. And yes, I made this as a Sunday dish. This is like one meal in itself. My style. Thank you. Please don't forget to give your girl a like. My shepherd's pie. Yes, don't come for me if you're in the UK, wherever you are. This is me being creative. Look at this. I know my shepherd pies, and I baked them in my oven at 300 degrees, and they took roughly 40 minutes. Look at your girl shepherd's pie, and of course watch the video to the end. You'll see me tasting this. It tasted really good. I did enjoy this. I did not add any egg to my mashed potato or anything. This is my way.
This tasted really good. You too should try shepherd's pie. Get out of your comfort zone and try another culture's dish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give the video a like.